So I reached out to 3 companies and I was really impressed with Cardinal because your response was right away. I got somebody to call me back right away. Everybody was really knowledgeable, and then they sent the tech and he was spot on. He walked me through everything he was doing before he even came here, introduced himself, that kind of thing, and then we had a great time just talking and as he worked on the furnace. Fast forward about a couple of years later or so, we decided, hey, we're gonna do this kitchen remodel, and that's when I called Cardinal. I'm like, okay, hey, I need you guys to do this. They were here within the time frame they said they were gonna be here. About a half an hour prior to the tech showing up, or the plumber showing up to do the work, I got a text that had a picture of him, some kind of fun facts about him, and then he showed up. He was super personable, just like the furnace person, the HVAC guy I worked with. He walked us all through it and talked about what to think, what to expect in the future and some of the things to watch out for. And then obviously gave me information on how to contact him in the company if I needed more work done. So it's like Cardinal heating, electric, plumbing, all in one place. Every single one of them is high quality. I wouldn't recommend anybody else. You know, call them, they're gonna come, they're gonna be here when they're supposed to be, they're gonna do a great job. You're gonna get a fair price, and it's exactly what you're gonna get exactly what you're expecting.